Let's go, sibling rivalry.
One more time.
What are we gonna say, bro? Let's plan something.
For what? We've been working just like. Hello.
What's up, everybody?
And welcome back to Sibling Rivalry with me, Talita Ndima.
Tamzupele kama, tamzwibiri, tamzwaiko. You know what it is.
Welcome back to it. Episode 86.
7.
7.
No, China, Tupago.
I was wearing this t-shirt. Oh, Andy, you
Mdala, uzokala machina over 40. Awunxibi machina kaloku wena.
I've been wearing these. I just wear them separately.
Okay.
Dithi ndiyeke imbi.
Sikhipana mhla inobuginza. Ayikombi.
Nah, I'm never going to wear these again.
Why? Because inobuginza.
Yeah, duh, ngubani ufuna ubalekinza.
But like I know, but that's what it is.
No, just because Ginzas wear them doesn't mean it's giving the same thing. Because if you're going to look at me, you're not going to go, oh, she might be a Ginza.
Okay.
Are you?
Yes.
This is not the right time for this. Now he's going to feel self-conscious for an hour.
Why, boy, John, stop caring what people think, bro.
Why?
Because it doesn't matter.
No, but if you feel like you want to say it to me, of course I'm going to care what you think. It wouldn't affect me at all.
Right.
And you know things that you say affect me.
It shouldn't. Like, practice this.
Practice is a real life.
But, yeah, well, man, so what? Like, people, so what? So what?
Well, other people, I don't actually care what they think, but I care what you think.
Oh, so nobody got thinking into a pambe now.
Yeah, I do care.
Hey, then you might be in trouble.
What with you?
Mm-mm. With yourself. Because I could be thinking about something that's completely, like, doesn't make any sense, and that affects you. And it could not be true. It could be, I suggest him.
Well, it's easier said than done.
Correct. Then, if that's the case, then also believe in the positive that I say and think.
I do.
Which is, relax. Don't worry about it. It may not affect you. You see? You are cat.
That's all I'm thinking about. Like, is it too late, Mama? Also, why couldn't you say this before we rolled? Anyway, welcome, guys. We hope Bani righty. And if this was not a pure example of what siblings are like, then Andaz Bani Funando Niguti.
Yeah, it is good. It's just been busy. And I got shocked today.
Why?
In this in the garage, and I was just like, Bauli chocolate or something, man. I felt like something. And I ended up thinking chocolate because he 18 rand.
I was
shocked. I was just like, is this a joke? I don't know, 12 rand. 18 rand for a Kit Kat. I was like, no, man. Chocolate, you said 23 rand. I was like, the woman is was 10 rand now. I was just shocked. I was like, this is, I don't know, for some reason, I was like, this is just super expensive, Lendo.
Yeah,
and I was just like, sure, 20 rand. But I was like, 20 rand for a chocolate. I don't know. I don't know. Just something in my mind and they asked about what it was. But it was just like, I was pure shock. I was just like, andizokwazi uthenga chocolate. Kaloku chocolate remember into yokuqhekeza 100 rand. Now it takes up a quarter of it. No ways, guys. So ndiphume ndiyitingisi anabi nare mvako.
Imbi tingisi.
Ayikombi. I think for me, I don't know what happened, but also when there's a lot of things going on, man. But yeah, anyways, I just got the shock of my life when it came to that. But yeah, other than that, all's good. Just busy as usual.
No, everything costs a lot. Yeah, everything. I can't do that, but no, it's a cost right. If isonga, it's over $20, then.
If because otherwise, one by one, I feel like
exactly.
maybe it's a sign Already you chocolate.
Like utya okokoko kwaloo nto uba ushokwe iprice it means uba uyitya okokoko.
Okay,
You don't look.
Or it's together with other things.
Yeah, 100%. So
Yeah,
you don't know how
I
much
think I've just this last week I'm just thinking about it's just a shock when it comes to pricing. I also was getting groceries, put my stuff in a bag. My stuff fit in a bag and I could fit more stuff in a bag. BCD 496. And I was just like, what's going on? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, you can like ask yourself, but
and that's probably like food for like 4 days. That's like 8 meals. And asuba ndithenge full chicken ndisezaphinda ndiyozipeka ezawe.
And use more
so
money.
I'm just not happy with prices. Guys, retailers out there, I'm not happy with prices and how you guys price. Please, can you examine something? You?
Yeah, it's a lot. It really is. If you're gonna nitpick, awuzuthenga nix.
Awuzuthenga nix. Akang ba funeka uthini? Funeka uvele ucimele. Ungazijongi SMS.
SMS is bulala actually.
Yeah,
I need to disengage that function on my banking because every time it happens, I'm like,
yeah, no. Yeah, I don't know. Just me fake. You're going to come to reality and get shocked. I think I've been living in some form of a cloud for the past, I don't know how long. And now it's just like the blanket has been pulled from under me. The carpet. It's pulled from under me in the wheeling. They take it. Sandanda.
Don't sandanda.
And you need the coccyx.
Oh, really?
And don't quote me. That's what I think it is.
Before.
Yeah. See so. Hey man.
It sounds like it should be.
And is it but I'm like what is it?
Because we are Lando chicken. Which part of you is that?
It's Barilanda how? Like and she laughed at me. But anyways.
Okay, fine. Yeah, I've also been super busy. Everything happening at the same time. You know, this morning, if you get late, I'm never late. And if you get 15 minutes before,
you had to be somewhere.
I had to be somewhere.
Or 15 minutes before you had to leave.
No.
Let's hope.
I had to be there at 10. If you get quarter to
10.
Also, waking up at 10 is crazy.
What's that?
Yeah, exactly.
No bubu feel.
No maben feel.
And then wapina wa resurrect.
Yes.
Some go afterlife.
Tell me afterlife, yami fana Oh, I'm here doing this, and I think I'm doing this, but I'm not. Someone else is actually sitting in this chair for real.
Guys at home, tell us if Nyasbona
because I'm deep.
That's crazy.
So, someone had said something to me about sleep coma, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, a sleep coma is ulele, ne? But awuzuvuka. Even if I woke you, you're not gonna wake up.
So you are in a coma.
Yes, but uzotuvuke eventually because ulele. It's not like you're in an actual coma. Ulele, but you just like you can't be woken up. Even if like ndikuchisenge light awuzuvuka.
And then uzophinda
uvuke already.
That's quite something.
Yeah, that is quite something. So ndivuswe ke insurance call, of course. That one time.
Alarm yakho, how you said?
No, of course, because ndiyavuka. I have to be somewhere at 10.
I like that.
I'll be up like at least 3 hours before that. I've never had to. This is the thing.
Set no 9 godin. I like that though.
What?
That you've got such regular patterns that I don't need to.
Oh, 100%. If I'm not up by 8 o'clock, there's something wrong. So can set the alarm. Yo, dailala into sana ndavuswa insurance call. Yabe ikhala iphone yacima immediately. So I didn't really know what the time was.
Oh, because your phone battery was low.
Yes. So now I'm like, okay, and I'm just like, oh, okay, man, I guess. Try and sit and charge your phone. Oh, now it's
Late.
5 to 10.
And uyicharge le phone utyhula ukudelisa. Uyicharge le phone upholile.
Ndipholile efonini.
Ayilayita, mhlawumbe sayilinda ilayite.
Exactly. I'm not like waiting for it by light. So that's how my morning started.
Also, ayikho enye iwatch apha endlini. Avele ndikuthengele iwatch. Avele ndikuthengele
I don't even have a watch.
Ilelo Joy hayi wena ungothengelwa iwatch. Before icimile then.
Then that's the rest. That's my day.
That's it. That ifuna kubuza makhelwane.
Waqala umkheli.
Banixesha.
Yeah, maxesha apho. That's what I also figured. I was like, I have no other way of telling the time. Oh, funeka ndivule laptop ndijonge ixesha. But obviously I wasn't thinking of that.
Funda ujonge ilanga elisilava engo-9 liba pha. Ngeke, that is scary.
I know. It's very scary. So ke yaqala njalo ke imini yam ke. And then obviously everything like topples on top of each other now. And so when I was driving here, I was like, I'm so overwhelmed by just this day, right? Because there's just so much happening and everything's happening together. The first half of the year, having all the time in the world. I'm like, why doesn't the universe just space things out?
Murphy's law, my bad. By the time in December,
it's just Jimile enough to yeah. But it is overwhelming. This week has been overwhelming to me. I've been the busiest that I've ever been. Then I was like, oh, Asana, I wish. Then I was like, you know what? I wish for this because I know what not being busy feels like. I know what it looks like. I know what the results of it can be. So I'm grateful. What I'm trying to say is
must be.
I'm grateful. I was just super tired. It's all about the like but Candy happy for all of that. Yeah, that's good. It's good. It obviously just takes a while to get your brain into the constant.
Yeah, yalibala ingqondo. Yalibala ingqondo, which is why ifuna usoloko i-task usoloko exercise because yalibala, it forgets how to. And then you have to kind of like start from like very far. I'm not going to say from scratch, but then you tend to find now you have to start recreating patterns that you've done before and you'd suffered through doing it before.
Yeah.
And then you don't do them. And then when now you have to pull up on those things or you have to pull those things out of your little bag of tricks, it's difficult again. Which is why it's really imperative to kind of keep the hamster running, even if you don't have anything to do, but give yourself something to do.
Because the hamster
that's the thing. It's lazy now. It doesn't even know. But Elvili is chappy. No. Do you know what I mean? So it gets a bit confusing. And you are the person that unfortunately has to pick up the bill for that. That and everything. So which are now happening. Some of them you get to, some of them you don't get to, which is then just defeats the whole purpose then. So it's one of those things. Nyani is the pila ngetemba. You behave as if it's difficult though. But yeah,
behave as if it's happening already.
Absolutely.
That's the hardest part.
Absolutely.
Sure.
But yeah, Leonard Joy, but it's a choice. I guess it's a choice that we all have to make ultimately to say, what do we want to it to all be like? That's what it is. Ilando bezithetha last week, but lomdo bezithi ba ufuna financial freedom, but uyafuna no spend imali. Then it's like, then awuyifuni. Then you don't want to. You know what I mean? Then you don't want to be busy if you don't want to prepare for being busy. So tricky.
You can't say you don't want to because you do.
You do what?
You do want to be busy.
Then prepare for it. This is the whole thing.
Okay, give me an example of how to prepare for it.
When you are not busy to actually have something that you are working towards, something that's keeping you busy, something that's taking up your time, scheduling this activities that you take and you fill your day with.
Like example.
Like anything, like working on a project that you've always wanted to do, for example, something that you want to do in your future, planning, learning new stuff. That's got to do maybe even with what you want to do or what you want to get into. Learning more about that, because I feel like half the time anyways, we only know like a very small percentage of what we could know. But yeah, we I don't know if it's becoming too sure of ourselves or what, where we're just like, oh, for insufficient knowledge. And then we want to go scramble and knowledge. And in that way, also, we don't stick out. We don't become the best in the room. We don't do any of that because we just underprepared, man. We just underprepared. We feel like the world owes us, and in that way, we don't prepare for it. And then we end up sickling.
Got you.
Yeah. So that's I don't know. That's just my understanding of how certain things kind of work. Is that we become underprepared for certain things. You're just like, hey, and the asum Nande kumlakdala for nini. I was still looking for span or whatever. And then in the span senza lendo. Ha na mingqondo yawunini dlele lokushini ingenzi nix. Goku andana bakwenzeka ntoni apho. Excel ngithanda excellent kuye. Ubonisa iflames. Do you know what I mean? But I knew, but in the job that I'm looking for, chances are that I'm gonna have to be proficient with Microsoft Office. But no, and just wait. Wait and I figure, now I'm sweating now. Now I have to present something. I don't know how this thing even works. I either have to pay someone or whatever the case may be, because I'm just underprepared. And I had all the time to be prepared. So things like that, basically, I think that we tend to sometimes forget about or ignore when it comes to us living our lives and really getting our brains to match up to situations, because it's tough, man. It's tough out there. That's what it is.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Do you have a closeness of it all for us?
I do.
The closeness of it all.
Dog. Ziterms endizithunyelweyo ikhona itheme endiyivileyo, and we spoke about it on the weekend, and I was like, when I was asking Umagazi, but I want to know if people out there know this term.
I had never heard that until last weekend. I've never heard.
So now, I don't know. It's weird. It's almost as if it's like I just remembered a random memory from my past, like 15 years ago. So we know what it is.
Now we do, yes.
Yes. So we're not gonna say it. So ingaske you guys, nisixelele uba niyayazi xa kusithiwa, hey uThalita wabe enxibe ichaina lakanokutsho. Okanye uThalita wandimema kwi-event yakho ekanokutsho.
Oh.
Yeah.
Is that how you use it?
Yeah, I believe so.
Oh.
Yeah, mo?
Okay.
Yeah, uThalita wabe enxibe impahla kanokutsho. Ayingomntu kunoko.
UThalita uboleke impahla.
Xa kusithiwa into kanokutsho, what does that mean?
Yeah, let us know in the
What does that mean? Is it an actual official Xhosa word? Is it a slang word?
It doesn't
or what is
sound. It sounds slangy to me.
Really?
Yeah. It doesn't sound like a real word at all.
Because what? Because ukutsho is not a.
No, ukutsho is a real word.
Chilo.
Benchilo.
Ukutsho is it a real word? Ukutsho.
Ewe.
Yacho.
But this is the thing, you can use it like that, and then that doesn't make it sound real.
Okay.
So maybe it comes from yacho, which doesn't make it sound real to me. That's what I'm trying to say.
But ukutsho.
Yes, but you can use real words in certain ways that aren't the way it's supposed to be used.
Okay. Okay. Fair. So tell us, guys, let us know. And then item in the end it's just that the phone yam, hey guys, asibethele imali for the phone yam inokuthi ivala WhatsApp type no space delete things but then of land deleted WhatsApp. So I got this one on Instagram, someone who gave us a term to explain sibe kuthetha ukuthini umuntu xa sithi ndiza kwenzela inkawu ngenja.
I'm gonna make you a monkey out of a dog. What? I'm just giving the English translation.
Just translate.
Wait, kaloku, so that other people who don't understand inkawu ngenja at all.
Sabakhona faka subtitles. I'm gonna make a monkey out of a dog.
Oh, you're asking me?
Yeah.
Oh. So I'm gonna make a miracle. I'm gonna make something we've never seen before.
Okay.
Yes.
So something great.
Yes, like in Kaungenja. Yes. You've never seen that before.
Fair. Fair. Okay. So indlela endizakuthanda ngayo ndizakwenzela inkawu ngenja.
Oh, it's negative though, inkawu ngenja.
Okay. So ndizakwenzela umrifit.
Ewe.
I'm going to do something really bad to you.
Yeah.
Akandazi nondazi.
Akandazi nondazi omenzele inkawu ngenja. It's never used in a positive way. Where you're like, ooh, mntu wam yazi. Ukuthanda.
So kwenzela
inkawu ngenja. It's never positive.
Okay, fair.
Yeah. It's a negative connotation.
Okay. Okay. And that I'm going to show you something that you've never seen
before.
Okay.
Yeah.
100%. And then the last one, thethi kuthini xa kusithiwa umntu ukhwela ezehlela.
Somebody's climbing and coming down. Wait. I'm explaining from how non-Xhosa uses first, right? Ukhwela ezehlela kuwe. Someone's just doing what they want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, and that only applies to when it comes to people. They are doing as they please.
Yes, doing as they please.
Also negative.
Also negative, yes.
Because if okay, fair.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's also a negative. They're doing as they please.
Yes.
To another person.
Yes.
You can only do that person to person.
Yes, you can't do it to a car or a...
Maybe I'm really good at driving a car and I can make it do whatever I want.
So
it's No. Okay. Oh, I'm good at maths. Maths. No, it's people to people. I agree with you.
People show me. Even a ladder,
Sure.
No one says.
Sure, 100%. Because it's a figure of speech, right?
Yes.
Meaning that I do exactly as I please. There's Enzel. Okay. Yeah, which could possibly lead to the other person loku kwelwa kusehliwa kuye esenzela lo
inkawu nenja. That's so good.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
All right, cool.
So please use these phrases in a sentence if you will. Thank you.
Yes, use these phrases in a sentence so we know that you truly understand what they are.
That's funny.
I was thinking about wants and needs, right?
Okay.
Wants versus needs, right? And how there are things that we need in life. What?
I'm listening.
But then there are also things that we want. And then there's a very gray area. I think the more that we've lived on this planet, some of those things have lived in gray areas where, so let's start with needs, right? Okay. What are things that you think you need?
Oxygen.
Yes.
water,
Oh, yes, food.
electricity. No. So I think
Shelter.
once you ask me what are needs,
Yeah.
things that without them, dingaphoncukelwa bobomi.
Yes. You can't function.
You can't function.
Yeah,
or
you might be
can't
able to live, but your functionality will be affected.
You'll be inconvenienced.
Yes.
But yeah, oxygen won't inconvenience you.
Izocisha, yeah, for sure. Which definitely makes it a need.
Yes.
Clothing, for example. You need clothes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Otherwise, unganxibanga.
100%. Yeah. But as nyanzelekanga uba ibe zezomgangatho.
This is the thing. Then that becomes a want. Then no.
Impahla ezithile.
Yes, ndifuna i-gas dondon.
Okay.
That's a. I know, what a weird thing. What's that called? Who cares? I haven't seen any. Ndifuna into ye-Armani ke. You need healthcare.
Okay.
You do. If you break your leg, uzothini?
You need to look after yourself.
Yeah, so that you don't need healthcare.
Yeah.
But should you break your leg in a car accident, you need healthcare.
Okay.
Do you know what I mean?
Doesn't necessarily have to be. We're not talking about free or not free.
No, we're not talking about free.
healthcare.
Yes, we're just talking about healthcare.
Okay.
One of the needs that are put on this list is education, right?
Fair. Yeah.
So, and it is a basic need in the Constitution as well. But everybody has the right to basic education.
100%. And I think the link that I'm taking from that is you need education so that you can participate in the economy.
Exactly.
Kwenzela uba ke ngoku uzawukwazi uthenga oku kutya ukunidayo for ukutya oku kunidayo for
uphila. Electricity, nale healthcare and all of that.
Correct.
Yeah. Okay. So the needs are easy.
The needs are easy.
Yeah.
I would go as far as to say yes. It needs is ilula because it's but also it's also mgangatho. Yeah, no. The needs are easy.
The needs are easy.
Let's not
because
complicate
all the
this
needs
thing.
are the same. Also, Obani need more education than Obani. Obani need more healthcare than Obani. Obani need the more expensive type of food than Obani.
Sure.
If we could all get along with the same
Sonke
type.
singaphila,
yes,
correct.
with the same type of needs.
Yes.
Singaphila
singacishi. Yes. I agree.
Yes. You want to disagree with something?
No.
I'll give you something to disagree with.
No, I'm happy. No, I'm happy.
And then there's wants, right? Now, these are things like ukutya out, ufuna utya out, ungatya endlini, right?
Sure.
I want. Okay, then there's travel, right? There's transportation, right?
Yeah.
Then we all need to be transported, right? But then it varies ba utransportwa njani.
Sure.
So kala to the a basic form of transportation, which is
Inyawo. What do you mean? Why do you look shocked? What? It just didn't look like Muzauti Nyao. So the island got my colors and Bendule because.
So true. Inyawo, Joe. Unyansile inyawo. And if I nalo inyawo, it makes it harder.
Sure.
Or, whatever. It makes my life more difficult. But then, besides inyawo, when you need to go really far away, it's taxi, ni bus.
Sure.
And all of that.
Okay. And Sikala as a matter of how much it costs.
Yes,
sure.
Of course. And then you get to, that's public transportation.
Mm-hmm.
Then, if you can afford a car, you buy a car.
Private. Yeah.
It's so funny that term is used. Why not? Yes, because I did say public transport, now there's private.
Yeah. Everything is just a joke.
Fine, I can buy a car then ditenge imoto. Right? Now we've moved away from that's a want now. Is it a need?
A car.
If you can afford it, it's a need, yes. Isn't it?
Wow. So we are saying qualifying criteria for a need is affording.
No.
Because now you're opening a can of worms. Can you afford it though?
No buy le moto uyithengileyo.
We afford that. You don't really afford that. That's another thing.
Look, the basis of affording, according to Aban Memali, is if you can pay for it 3 times over, then you can afford it.
Take cash. What?
But law installment, if you can do it,
If you want like a 30 installment.
yes, then that's what qualifies as you being able to afford something.
If kule mali endiyiholayo or endinayo, this 1,000 rand that I pay for my car, kule 10,000.
Yeah.
Imoto yi 1,000. I could pay for that car. Ndingayibhatala 3,000. It's safe.
That means you can afford it.
income, not my overall income.
No. Obviously not.
Yeah.
Fine. Then we go to a category then of then going, hayi mna andifuni Suzuki Swift, ndifuna i-M3.
Yeah.
All of this whole thing is a want.
Yes.
Whether you get a Suzuki or an M3, it's all a want.
It's a want, but also depending on what your primary use of that will be.
It's taking me to point A to point B. It's taking me to work. It's taking me to...
Okay, then it's fine. I'm just thinking, Mamtlami, I'm a salesman of Opatizin. And ezo ndo eziwazingene eteksini tam.
Okay.
Tam ngithengisa coffee.
Coffee.
Anizokwazi ukukhwela na iteksi.
Awuzokwazi ukukhwela nayo emotweni yakho either.
Yes, kanti. What?
Also, coffee.
Construction.
You're not going up and down showing people.
Texas Dana.
Also,
Man, I'm so entertainer. But I'm just saying, but ezinye izibani zinecessitator ba ube ne private.
yes, see in pots, for example,
Yes.
like sets of pots.
Yes.
Like it's gonna be hard to roam around with those things.
Yes.
Fine. So we can agree then with cars. Then specifically, you can get the most basic
Sure.
kind of car, but then when now ufuna
Yeah, you want.
imoto
Correct.
esemgangathweni
Correct.
ngoba
For abahlali alo phone.
that's crazy news.
For abahlali.
Abahlali bathi
Ya bazogcwala. Bahlali bamabagcwale.
and if you never heard abahlali begcwala, would you still be happy with that purchase?
Sikhona izinto phone nokwazi uzipurchase uqombe we enjoy in private uqombe. Na enjoy ndiyayithanda lento. Without the influence abahlali. But I always go and say mna uba if bekusithwa abekho abantu
Buzoyithenga.
on this planet
Yes.
uhlala wedwa
Yes.
ubuza unantsika buza ithenga lando.
I mean, who are you giving the money to? Buhlala wedwa, but okay, that's
What do you mean?
semantics. I'm just saying, if you're alone, then
Yeah, I'm just like it's like a totally crazy situation.
No,
right?
for sure,
Whereby
for sure.
You still need to earn and eat, and you still need to buy the stuff,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Zikhona izinto qha you are. Let's just say you're the only person on this planet.
yeah.
Would you still drive the car you drive? Would you wear the clothes that you wear?
No, of course not. Uzakwenza lento ufunwa nguwe.
Yeah,
Which is how we should be living anyway.
yeah.
We should be living as if we're living on this planet by ourselves.
Correct.
Wenza lento ufunwa nguwe.
Yes.
This thing that makes me happy.
Yes.
So if I was living alone, what would I be wearing?
Yes.
Would I be wearing expensive stuff, or would I just be wearing stuff that I think is nice?
Yes.
And if I think the expensive thing is nice, then fine.
Sure.
Yes. But lento yabahlali is a problem.
Yeah. Hey. It's a dark alley now that
Yeah.
you are leading. And uhamba nami ngolani. Yoyika. Uhamba nami, untele chu.
Yeah, so okay, fine. So then
Sure.
there's needs, if those are needs, and then there's wants, right? So you want a car because it's gonna make your life easier to get around with a car. Awuzuvuka ngo-4, uzovuka ngo-7, things like that, right? And then there's eating out, and there's cars and luxury items, designer ndondo, jewelry. Those are all things that you want. And uzofunela abahlali. Vacations. So you need to rest.
Sure.
But do you need to rest somewhere far away where you have to pay a lot of money for? Don't rest endlini.
Kaloku because ufuna explore lo, go somewhere beautiful. Bona izinto, kuhlamba amehlo man. Awukube nayo laa nto uba ngaske ndibona abantu abanice abapholileyo.
Not abantu abayemsebenzini.
Abantu ababhizi uyayidina ingqondo nayo laa nto. So I would say sure that could be,
Yeah, it's still a want. Ufuna ngasikubona ezinye izinto. You don't need it. Awuzufa if it doesn't happen.
Yeah.
Fine, whatever. Then there's gray areas, right? Fine. So we figured out that the wants are things that you can definitely do without.
Live without.
Yes. But then there's gray areas, right? Like a smartphone. You can get a phone. Dilili, because the need there is communication, right?
Okay.
Why are you getting the last number?
Sure. Last number you want. But a smartphone, so what I'm saying is from a smartphone perspective, it depends. Nandi content creator yabo. So tinita camera.
Fine.
Tinita is apps.
Fine.
Tinita all of these things.
Now and now these are now become needs in that space.
Yes.
In your content creation space,
Correct.
These become needs.
Yes.
Whereas omnye umntu can do fine with the dilili because they don't abafuna photos.
Because they don't need to be on Instagram, is what you're saying. They don't need to be on Facebook.
Yes.
Okay.
Fine. So that makes
because
it a
the entertainment then essentially.
Yes, it definitely is entertainment. Then there's things like home decor where you're making your house nice. Bawuthenga AP for furniture, uzothenga goma okanye uzothenga
Careful.
Okay, fine. However you decorate your house now depends on bawuthanda ntoni wena.
Correct. Because, but also, then deco furniture can be something that is contributing to your mental well-being.
Okay, in which way?
In the way of space sakho sikwenza nje ube nice, relax.
You like to, yes.
It makes you feel some type of way, which contributes to, at the end of a long, hard day,
you want to come back to a comfortable couch that looks nice.
100%.
It makes you feel good.
Yes. No.
I'm just wondering if that's what we think of when we actually make these purchases. I know when I bought my couch recently, I thought it looked really nice. It looked comfortable. It was comfortable. It was also pretty.
Mm-hmm. So, but these things can also mix. As well as mixan.
Indon.
Oh, but then you said it was gray area. So it's
mixing.
Between a need and a want.
Yeah, 100%. There's definitely lots of gray areas, like internet access.
Yeah. Internet. Look, you need internet to communicate.
That's yes,
but you're not gonna die if you don't communicate. You might not be employed.
Yeah, you might not be able to receive an email saying back, yes, you got the job.
So
which makes it a gray area. Also.
It's a need in this world.
So I can have internet on my phone and not have internet in my house.
Need that the phone in. Oh, that's fine then.
Yeah, 100%.
But that's internet.
Yeah, so you want, ufuna, then it can be a need and a want, is what I'm saying.
You need to save your money. That's why I got fiber.
Save imali ndoni kudata. Okay, fine. Another.
So again, so it's forming part of my budget.
Okay.
Ndiyayibhajetela loo nto leyo uba okay, if ndingamayinasa apha ndinganyusa apha, if ndingaqhuba nge-WhatsApp calls ndizabe ndiyaseva nge-airtime.
Okay.
Oko ndaqhela i-WhatsApp calls nam. Yes.
Yes, umkhulu sana.
Ndikhe ndayiphendula kwa uyiphendula.
I know, ungasifuni. Uthena undifonela ngo-WhatsApp.
Thambile ngoku.
Because i-needs zakho zitshintshile, ufuna useva. Yayiva.
Need to kyola.
Never. We're not going to talk about that. Then another grey area place is a gym membership.
Ah, yeah, it's not grey, Baba.
Why?
That's not grey.
Why?
Kutala ban okay. Depending on what is the point of you going to the gym? To stay healthy?
Yes, to stay healthy.
Then you don't need it. Definitely you want.
Because unga exercise endlini
Come
yakho.
on.
Uthenge dumbbells, umane unyusa usehlisa.
Noba uzithenganga dumbbells if you want to stay healthy. You can do body weight exercises.
Fine, you can do all of those things. So it's not a grey area, you're saying that?
I'm saying it's a want. It's a need though if your career is Spartana, you bodybuilder, and you get paid by doing that.
Okay, fine. Then there's other things like home renovations, technology upgrades. Those things are wants, of course, but at some point you're just like, if I don't upgrade my technology, I'm going to be running slowly, iOS 6, or whatever it is, or
by 0.001 second.
Oh, is it?
Such as it's marginal differences is the point that I'm trying to make.
But it does help you with just being efficient. He upgrades the technology. Because imagine, dialing tone internet. Imagine you had to wait for that every time you wanted to use the internet. So you upgrade it to fiber because
they have phased out it dial-up line. But anyways, yeah.
Because I say
so what? So what are we saying? Are we saying that we can split it into needs, wants, and conveniences?
Yes.
The crazy convenience.
Yes, the greys are definitely convenient. Now, these are the questions that you need to ask yourself about when you're purchasing something. Okay, can I afford it? Masqale up. Okay, am I going to go to the bank and you're fully loan for this thing? Is it necessary for my well-being or my survival? Or for my job? Is it necessary for the thing that I do?
Why do we need to ask those questions?
No, because then you can go, okay, do I need it or do I want it?
And then what will your answer determine?
Your answer will determine, but if you want it, then I don't have to buy it.
Sure.
But then you answer that to when do they get...
Sit down. It's a dark hole here once. It's a dark hole here once, and I think, ufuna ngamnazi into.
Izinto? Why do you want things?
Because they make me happy.
Happy for how long? Forever?
It doesn't matter. Yeah, Talita, what you now want to make my life a lesson. Yeah, enjoy it.
I don't want to make your life a lesson.
You do. You're like, I'm standing in wherever.
I just feel like
looking at that PlayStation, and I'm like, is this a need or a want? 15-yard shot of a pokotweni yona.
Exactly.
I've got 15 grand cash, and you're saying I must ask myself this. Then
is there another place that you could put it that would be more useful?
Like what? Savings. Oh no, please help me. Huh?
You're like, to hell with savings.
Savings?
A rainy day.
Look sharp now. I've got 200k in my savings account. Yeah. Now it's 15 salalas. Whatever. I must go put more.
Yes,
for
rainy day over.
dog. It's not gonna rain more than 200K in my life.
You don't know that.
I've had this conversation with mom, where I was just like, my guy, the reason why my rainy day savings is low is because apho ndihlala khona ndi-inshorile imoto ndiyi-inshore ndibhatala i-premium ubomi bam ndibu-inshorile ndibhatala i-premium yonke into that could possibly cost me something
You've got
is
insurance
covered.
for that.
Yes.
Yes. Health insurance, the same.
Yes, so
thing.
now why do I need another 500,000 on the side? But yeah, this is a conversation for another day.
But
I
this is
get
a
it.
great one also because it really speaks to exactly this. Yoba, how much have you put away so that ungasokoli the day that you need it?
Correct.
Yeah.
And it's but something that I think maybe we can talk about in another episode to say ukuthi Kandi ithini point. What's the point? You're saving. So someone who saves both. Did he say someone who saves? yeah.
Have you never found a need for e-savings yakho ever before?
Nangam, it's very tricky. Not a need. Once, sure. Plenty of wants. In a world of unlimited wants and
Yeah,
limited
but why
resources.
can't your savings be for once as well?
No, sure. As long as now I'm just saying, like uvele, that the answer that you're saying now is that Tedonga savings, Tedonga rainy day. And I'm like, I feel like I've clocked it. But if rainy days I'm covered.
Yes, and they covered by ezinye izinto, not easy.
Then the save bubble.
Yeah.
Then I might as well the bubble as I go. The sweater bubble go December. Ay man. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Then fine. Then there's things that are emotional triggers, right?
Okay.
That you find yourself doing where you're like, therefore, ditengi retail therapy ditengile because I felt like nonsense, and then datenga, and it made me feel good.
Okay.
Is that something that is worth doing?
No. Simply because
Even though it changes your emotional state.
100%, but that's emotional state is your emotional state, guys. Also. I think let's be honest about our emotional state.
In
is that
terms
our
of
feelings fluctuate.
Yeah, they do. Of course they do.
So was that 20 grand worth making you feel good for an hour? Because yes, pan. Lamdo ebekufake kulo emotional state, usepha uzakuphinda. Then ke ngoku uqonde retail therapy is the answer. Then what? Uzahamba uyokwelita ke. Now doing further ke ngoku to emotional state.
Yeah.
Because I don't know, I call sustainable for some of us.
Yeah.
Kabanye sustainable.
So then, like, you know, when people buy stuff because for abahlali, so manu siva every now and again by yo, twambla way out, boss.
Clean. Enyawo uthi bisitsho kumuntu, yo, buda ufake ntoni phone? Yo, awusanuka mali. Le koma ndithengele le nto ke le cologne.
Because
Adiva.
And is that worth it for you?
Yeah, nangamzi ora points kalokezo.
Yes, I'm asking, is it worth it?
It's worth it if I can afford it. It's not worth your kwelita. It's worth it if ndiyakwazi ukuthi hey ndisebenza hard bhura kabambe man. Yeah, it's worth it. Because zaphinde in la 2000. Yo, sorry, zaphinde in la 300.
Yo, I smell expensive for real. It ain't no joke that you're smelling expensive.
800.
So there's all these emotional triggers that make us buy stuff, right? And one of so retail therapy is an emotional trigger, obviously. Keeping up with others. Awufuna ushiyeka be abantu benxibe iteki eziso wena unxibe iteki
unayo neJordan 1. Kanjani?
A1.
Kanjani?
FOMO. You're just like, I don't want to miss out. And emotional attachment. So forming emotional attachments to certain brands or to certain products, right? Now, how do we...
And attaching worth.
And attaching worth to things where you're just like, this thing is worth this much. Therefore, it means it puts me here. socially with my
Yeah,
people.
correct. Nxibe all white kodwa inhliziyo imnyama.
So now these things also, if you're putting all this emotional attachment onto things and things, because that's what it usually is, how do you then regulate yourself to go, afoni nobandi nayo le, it's fine. Okanye noba I don't buy the most expensive of this one, it's fine. That's the hard part.
Correct.
Because you can't expect people to do what I just told you now, to say, "Bah, do I need it or do I want it?" and then buy things based on that, because you're more than just a survivor.
Yeah.
in
Yeah,
life.
correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
Way more than just
Yeah.
a survivor. How do we regulate that?
I think understanding the concept of in a world of unlimited ones, we have limited resources,
Okay,
right?
sure.
So the world as a whole, unlimited ones as the world, limited resources, right? Now take that, put it in a bring it closer to home, faka pe yardini, fully caged, let it in. Ibe lapha eyadini. In your world of all these things that are wants, you also will have limited resources.
Yes.
And now you need to apportion those resources adequately. Where you can also live in a place whereby you are not stressed by not being able to fulfill wants.
Sure. People are stressed about not being able to.
No, Sally.
And therefore they make those decisions of Zoya ku mtobolekisa imali, whatever.
Skopar.
Skopar.
Yeah.
Yeah, for
Of
sure.
which cases faka ngxakini. Still.
Always.
Yeah.
No, 100%, always. But whether uklongxaki usengxakini currently, right? Because iskopar sifuna imali yaso. But as I walk past and someone says, "You semhle, babe." Iyalibaleka la ngxaki
For like 2 seconds. This is the thing. Asithanda izinto ezilastayo thina. Sithanda izinto
Instant gratification.
Yeah, just my microwave generation.
Yeah.
Into yonke into mayenzeke ngoku, and I think that I said once, life is short but it's also long, dog.
Yeah, it's very long.
Bude ubomi.
Yeah.
So I think it's being able to attach value to certain things, to say, okay, how valuable is this to me in the long run?
Not in the 5 seconds that it takes for someone to give you a compliment.
Yeah, but a compliment. But if you can afford those compliments, fair. But
Now we're buying compliments.
the absence of those compliments shouldn't make me feel like life is not worth living. Flick and yoboleki imali and put myself in further trouble, for example.
So we are now buying compliments. Because that's the end goal. The end result is that people compliment you. The end result of you taking money out of your pocket, going to buy something, putting it on, is that kukumdu zoti nice.
Correct. Andibonanga abantu ba enough for the outfit. Can't ndiye emall.
That's crazy work to me. And I know that feeling very well.
Condition, yeah. Man, ngonywa for nini? But have you ever noticed ba kumandi wes ungonywa ube unga, that wasn't the whole point.
Yes. Where you go, oh.
Uyarhuqisa uyazihambela for athi umuntu yeah. Madlamini. That is worth something.
That is the best
Correct.
Into ongayicinganga.
Correct. And for me, I'm also just like also appreciate the show, because leno show but class ngonywa be showini kusingathi like ngoma inside of me. Banding bani. And those are the compliments that
I
mean
didn't have
more.
to buy that.
Yeah, understand that? Those are the compliments that mean more when you ngoming ba, yeah, you're so kind. You are so, kind of things, some that I would have just grown up having, some that I make a conscious effort to work on.
Yeah, for sure.
But the unpaid compliments for me always last longer and they mean more.
Yes, and they make you want to do better.
Correct.
Yeah.
To maintain up.
Maintain
And I think
alone,
maybe that being something to also think about, to say, Uguti, hi man. And the reason why we are so fixated sometimes on external compliments is because there's nothing to compliment internally.
Yeah. Because umnyama ngaphandle unxibe all white. Mnyama ngaphakathi, unxibe all white. No, for real.
Yo.
I know someone onjalo where I'm just like, yo, you're literally dressing the Christmas tree because
Yo.
yahlobisa because the Christmas tree is literally dying inside. So you're just putting more gold and silver around it.
Yo. Whoa, what a thin line. Kodwa, all of this is such a thin line to tread, man.
100%. But I also feel like we do get lost in the motion. We get lost in the sauce in that way where we go, oh, I can buy these compliments. But people can compliment you
But
without
we
you
don't even
buying
think we're
anything.
buying them, yeah. The world has also taught us we don't even think we're buying them.
No, we don't
But
think
also it's compliments, it's fitting in, it's all of these things. But all of these things I feel like common denominator is they all come back to wanting to test and look at what's your relationship with you.
Yeah.
In terms of who you are, who you want to be. And
Who you think you are and who you are.
yeah. Yeah, yela. Ngoba nikomplaina manje ngathenga impahla. Uliye ngoku. Ngoku andikazothenga impahla after this conversation.
Kutheni ufuna awunazi impahla ekhabhathini?
Andisafote ndisifunayo. Inani?
No fair.
Yeah.
And ufuna ezithile kumgangatho othile.
Yeah, funny. Because it's nice, ziyalasta.
Ziyalasta. And this is another thing. You can't make that. Don't laugh because that's a serious thing. But no, ndifuna uthenga ijini yechistar because ziyalasta. Not because it's expensive. It's also really nice, but I'm going to be able to wear it for another 10 years. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. And that's fair. Why don't you look like it's fair?
No, ndavumelana now.
Let's go to our board, bro.
Giving enriches your life. Why? Hey.
After all of this, right? Buying.
Yeah.
For yourself.
Enriches your life. Your life.
Ufuna uenricha ndoni, actually. Do you not want to enrich your life? Or do you want to enrich your life?
We want to enrich ourselves, not our lives. Bah.
And there's a difference.
Ayela.
So this was given to us by one of the blings. This was given us by one of the blings and I struggled with it. I was just like, how? How does giving enrich your life? But I know how I feel when I give. And it's giving an enriching feeling to me. And just because do something, you don't know what it does for them, and it's doing stuff for them, and it's not doing anything for you. Where now you are peace actually, but there's a feeling that you get that cannot be replaced.
And you know what? I also have this thought about giving, Uguti. Giving, and we are like implored to give, and the Bible tells us to give. And I think somewhere at the back of that, there's also a thing of so that you are not so attached to this money thing. So that you don't form this bond, unbreakable bond between wena nenyoko. Because iza kubulala. So that's also one of the reasons why I believe we're told to give. Because attached. I can't live it. If I nayo, mali, then then andingomntu.
Oh, that's great. I'm glad you could break it down like that for me because I was still like, so that what?
So yeah, so that you don't get attached.
And then in life yako is more chilled. Attached.
And you can actually focus on the things that matter, that really matter.
Very good. You're a smart boy. Not just a pretty face. Smart man. Okay, guys, let us know topic let us know what your relationship is with things that you want versus things that you need. Let us know what giving does for you as well. if ungumdo who gives. And giving is obviously not also izinto, it's monetary, it's giving of your time, it's giving of izinto that you can't actually buy as well. And what that actually does for you, how does it enrich you? How has it enriched you? And how do you think it actually does enrich, if you think it does at all?
Yeah, he gave me namhlanje. Yeah, I'm just thinking of so many things in my head.
Good, and that was the point. I'm glad. Because I was like, oh, it's so basic, needs versus wants. But then I was like, no, actually, it's not as basic as it looks at all, especially in this day and age where you can buy so many things to gain so many things like compliments and stature. This was cool. Thanks for joining me. And always remember to not forget to love each other.
Bafethu.
Ah, you sucks.